What if I told you some of the fittest athletes in the world are over 45 years old? At an age when many people complain about low energy, slow metabolism, and body pain, some athletes are still running marathons, building muscle, and outperforming younger people. So what's their secret? It's not magic. It's not expensive supplements. And it's definitely not spending all day in the gym. It's their daily routine. Today, we're breaking down the powerful routine of a 45-year-old athlete, the habits that keep them strong, lean, focused, and full of energy. And honestly, some of these habits may completely change the way you think about aging. Because the truth is simple: 45 is not old anymore. For disciplined people, it's prime time. The first thing elite athletes over 45 understand is this: recovery matters more than ego. In your 20s, you can ignore sleep, eat junk food, and still perform well for a while. But after 40, your body exposes every bad habit. That's why successful athletes in their mid-40s don't start their mornings with intense workouts. They prepare the body first. Most wake up around 5:30 or 6 in the morning, not because waking up early looks impressive, but because it gives them quiet time before the world becomes busy. The first thing they do is hydrate. After hours of sleep, the body is dehydrated. Many athletes drink a large glass of water with electrolytes or lemon. This wakes up the body and improves energy levels. Then comes mobility work. Not heavy lifting, not sprinting. Mobility. This is one of the biggest secrets to staying athletic after 45, because flexibility and joint health become extremely important with age. Most athletes spend 10 to 20 minutes stretching and improving movement. Hip openers, shoulder mobility drills, spinal rotations, deep squats. Simple movements, but powerful results. Because the goal is not just to look athletic, it's to move athletic. After mobility comes low-intensity cardio, usually walking, cycling, rowing, or light jogging. Nothing extreme, but incredibly effective. Many athletes over 45 spend 30 to 45 minutes doing this regularly because it improves heart health, endurance, and fat burning without damaging the joints. And here's the surprising part. Many older athletes actually train smarter and less aggressively than younger people. Yet they often get better long-term results. Why? Because they focus on consistency instead of punishment. Now let's talk about food. This is where most people struggle after 40. Athletes in their 40s become very intentional about nutrition. Protein becomes a priority, because muscle loss naturally increases with age. Without enough protein and strength training, the body slowly becomes weaker every year. That's why many athletes include protein in every meal. Eggs, fish, chicken, Greek yogurt, lean meat, healthy plant-based options. At the same time, they reduce processed foods, less sugar, less junk food, less emotional eating, because they understand something important. Inflammation ages the body fast, and food can either heal you or slowly destroy you. Another major difference is mindset. Athletes over 45 stop eating for entertainment. They eat for performance, not for comfort. Not because they are bored, but because they want energy, strength, and longevity. Now let's move to training. This might surprise you. The best athletes over 45 are not training harder than everyone else. They are recovering better than everyone else. Their workouts are focused and efficient, usually around 45 to 75 minutes. Strength training becomes the foundation of their routine. Because muscle is youth. Muscle improves metabolism, protects joints, supports hormones, and keeps the body strong as it ages. Most workouts focus on compound movements: squats, deadlifts, push-ups, rows, pull-ups, lunges, not random exercises, purposeful movements. And unlike younger athletes chasing ego lifts, experienced athletes focus more on form and control. They train smarter. because one injury can destroy months of progress. Another thing they prioritize is consistency. This is the real secret. A younger person may train hard for 2 weeks and then quit. But disciplined athletes over 45 understand that small daily effort beats extreme effort done occasionally. That's why their routines look simple from the outside. Sleep early, train consistently, eat clean, recover properly, repeat. No drama, just discipline. Now here's something most people ignore. Mental fitness. Athletes over 45 are not just protecting their body. They are protecting their mind, because stress destroys performance faster than age does. Many successful athletes include mental recovery in their routine: meditation, breathing exercises, prayer, journaling, quiet walks. These habits reduce stress and improve focus. And honestly, one of the biggest differences between average people and elite athletes after 40 is emotional control. They protect their energy carefully. Now let's talk about the most underrated performance tool of all: sleep. Most people sacrifice sleep for entertainment. Athletes sacrifice entertainment for recovery. That's the difference. Sleep affects muscle recovery, hormones, energy, fat loss, focus, and mood. That's why many athletes over 45 take sleep very seriously. Cool rooms, no screens before bed, consistent sleeping schedules, less caffeine at night, because they know poor sleep damages performance quickly. And here's the truth: you cannot out-train bad recovery. Not at 45, not at any age. Now let's destroy the biggest myth of all: your best years are over after 40. That is completely false. Many athletes say their 40s are the years when they finally understand their body. They train smarter, think clearer, eat better, recover better, and value time more. They stop trying to impress people and start focusing on longevity. The modern 45-year-old athlete is not trying to look 20. They are trying to become unstoppable at 45. And that mindset changes everything. Because aging is unavoidable, but weakness is optional. And once you understand that, age stops becoming an excuse. It becomes motivation.